Hey, what's up guys? Ballistic Blake here. So if you're a TikToker wanting to switch to YouTube, some of the videos you have probably made before are duets. But the problem with duets is that they will not actually go down as shorts because they're widescreened and you want to make your shorts to the width of a phone. So I'm going to show you guys today how to make your duets fittable for YouTube Shorts. It's a simple step. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is you want to go to the editing app that you have on your device and you want to click New Project. And when you go down, you want to click on one of the videos that you've duetted in the past. And for me, it was that time I duetted Happy Face Doctor on TikTok. So this is the way it works. What you want to do is you want to go down and you want to hit the ratio button and you want to hit the TikTok setting. So that way it narrows your screen down. And then all you really have to do is just export the video and bam, that's it. You got something you can upload to YouTube Shorts and gain more views. So I hope that helps some of you wanting to move from TikTok to YouTube. If you found this video useful, go ahead and like it. It helps support the channel. Subscribe if you're new here. Hit that bell icon to get notified of future videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, see ya!